Hey, how are you? I'm coming to you from the edge of the Grand Canyon. A lot of weird bugs. 30 miles down a terrible dirt road. But we're going to spend a few days on the rim of the Grand Canyon in seclusion, away from everything. So I'm making myself a couple of cheeseburgers, trying to deal with these flies that are crazy. But over the next couple of days, I want to just kind of hang out here and enjoy my time on the rim. Camp. And have seclusion. I need some sleep because I've been hiking a lot. I don't know if there's going to be photography or not. I guess we'll see, but I literally, right over there, that's the edge of the Grand Canyon. Drops down. Maybe we'll get some photos, I don't know. Beautiful afternoon, beautiful evening. I'm gonna make cheeseburgers. Thanks for joining me. Hey, listen. It's dry out here. I don't feel like doing photos tonight. I wanna just rest. Thanks for dropping by. Thanks for being part of my family here on YouTube. Now let's see what the next couple of days brings us, shall we? All right. I have a table that's a rock. I get to eat dinner looking over the Grand Canyon and that mountain range, turning beautiful colors because it's a sunset. Utter silence, dead silence. Honestly, a view that most people would die for. Oh, it's good to be me. I'll see you tomorrow morning. I think we might have an opportunity to do a Grand Canyon sunrise. Let's see how that goes. A long time ago, I saw a show. It was a nature show, and the ranger had a rattlesnake underneath his car at night. So now when I'm out here, I wake up and I'm panicked and paranoid about rattlesnakes being under my car or around. I don't know, it's bad. Truly, you never know what you're gonna get when you're out doing this kind of stuff. So it really comes down to, you have to make the best of it with what you have. And the sunrise wasn't the greatest today, but the way that the sun right now in its low state is, it's cutting through the clouds. It's just really quite a dramatic photo. I'm kind of excited about that. Yeah, a little bit monochromatic, but that's all right. I love the drama in the sky. So I put my zoom lens on so I could get in there tighter. I want to get in there a little bit closer than the super wide angle will let me. Hey, how you doing? Listen, I want to thank you for joining me at the rim of the Grand Canyon for a little bit of adventure. That was a 27-mile dirt road into that overlook that took me about an hour and a half to do. I used iOverlander, the app, to find the site, and while it was beautiful, I don't think I'd go back there again. It was pretty rough on the vehicle, if I'm honest. I did have a great morning today. Ultimately, you can tell the environment has changed. I made the decision to not stay another night. It looked like maybe rain, and the problem with the rain there is that there were a number of spots where that road would have dipped down. I would have been stuck until the roads dried up if it rains. I'm not sure if it's going to rain, but it kind of looked like it would. So I made a decision twofold. One, because of rain. Two, it was really hot. It was about 98 degrees, no shade around. I just couldn't get comfortable. This was about an hour and a half away to this pine forest, and it's on my way to the next stop. So I decided to come up and spend a glorious evening just under the pines. It's about 2,000 feet higher than it was down there, considerably cooler, and these pine trees, of course, remind me of home. So really grateful for what I've seen. You know, I had a day with the hummingbirds today. I had 4 hummingbirds that were playing around me today. I was holding my phone trying to film them, and one of the hummingbirds actually landed right on my phone and just sat there and looked at me for probably 30 seconds or better, flying around my head and getting in my ears and pecking at my hat and flying at the camera. Man, it just doesn't get better. You know, I'm out here, and it's like, one of the verses that I love is pray that the favor of the Lord would be upon me and establish the work of my hands upon me. And oh man, you know, get the wave yesterday, and today the hummingbirds and that beautiful view at the canyon. Just God's goodness and grace over my life is something that I take for granted a lot. Life doesn't go without struggle for me, but a lot of it's in what we choose to do with it. So listen, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna call it good on this video. I hope you enjoyed the photography. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the sights. Again, if you'd like, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and most importantly, if you would comment on the videos. I love to have your comments. They mean a lot to me. It helps me to get better. Helps me to know things. I'd love to have your comments. That would be just really wonderful. So again, until next time, I'll see you in the next one. I'm Rob, and I'm out.